there she is. We're gonna run an overhead on this Detroit 60 series. And it looks like we're gonna be rebuilding the Jakes. So yeah, looks like to me we are going to be rebuilding the Jake systems. Okay, first thing you do is going to take all the shit off so you can get the valve cover. Okay, this is the Jake assembly. There's one with 2 solenoids. And then you have the other Jake assembly with 1 solenoid. There's the valve train. You'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts on the Jake. Remove them and then remove the Jakes. Okay, we got the Jakes out and we got the valve train out. I'm going to take the valve train and Jakes home and rebuild them. And then I'll show you how to do an overhead. Well, I have the valve train sitting on a table here. It comes in 2 sections. This will be your front section, this will be your back section. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm getting ready to put in new poplets and taplets. And as you can see, they're all falling apart. You can see they're all missing, just falling into the engine block. Crazy shit. Anyways, I'll get this together. Okay, this is one Jake, completely rebuilt. New solenoid seals. It's got new springs. And it's also got new plungers. New plungers, new pistons. These are new pistons for the other one. Okay, what you want to do is you want to use the spacers that were used for the Jake brake assembly and use them to tighten down the valve train itself, because we have to do that because these bolts actually tighten down the valve train and the Jake brakes together. So we have to get the valve train tightened down so we can set the valve lash and do our overhead, run our overhead. So right now I'm on number I have to set the valves for intake and exhaust valves for number 1, and then set the injector height for number 5 with the injector height tool. There's a little hole down here on the injector where this point fits in, and then this goes over kind of like this. And that way you can check the injector height and set the injector height. So right now we're using this. We started at 1 and we work our way around until we're completely finished. So that's about it. Okay, overhead is completed. We did a fantastic job, all of the intake and the exhaust valves. Intake is going to be 203 millimeters or 8 thousandths, and the exhaust is going to be 26 thousandths or 660 millimeters. The injectors are going to be 80 millimeters. And yeah, once you have that done, we're going to go ahead and remove our spacers. And we're going to reassemble the Jakes that are also been rebuilt. I'll show you that after it's done. Alright, we're done.
We're built.
Hold on. Jakes are installed, and the valve lash on the Jakes are going to be the same as the exhaust taplets, which is going to be 660 millimeters, 660 millimeters, or 26 thousandths. And the assembly is finished. We're going to put the valve cover on and put all the other parts on, and we're all set to go.